Withdrawing a PSD. A PSD withdrawal must only be performed when instructed by a Quadient representative. To start, from the home screen, press the menu button. Use the arrow buttons to select Advanced Settings and press OK. Select Maintenance. Select Process and Diagnostics. Select Processes. Select Withdraw a PSD. Please read the on-screen instructions and press OK. Press OK again to begin the process. When the server call is complete, please read the warning and press OK. To finalize the PSD withdrawal, enter the confirmation code and press OK.